The hollow body hold is a foundational exercise taken from the gymnastics world that you can use to supercharge your core strength. The hollow body primarily targets the muscles of your anterior chain or front of the body, including your rectus and transversus abdominis, obliques, hip flexors, and quads. The hollow body hold is a simple exercise and yet is still commonly misunderstood and performed incorrectly. So in this video, I'm breaking down the hollow body hold while showing you some fun progressions on both the floor and the pull-up bar to match your skill level. Now, before you get started on the hollow body hold itself, I recommend first mastering the dead bug exercise. Dead bugs will give you a strong foundation of core stability and control that you'll need to get the most out of your hollow body practice. Click the video card or check out my channel for my full dead bug guide. The full hollow body shape has three main standards. Number one, the abs engage to press the low back flat into the floor with the ribs down and a slight pelvic tilt. Number two, the shoulders are raised up off the floor with arms reaching overhead, biceps by ears. And number three, the legs stay lifted between 15 and 45 degrees, quads tight and toes pointed. This position puts intense leverage on your abs and teaches you how to apply maximal core tension while breathing behind the shield. Aim to hold the hollow body for 30 seconds at a time. The arch body snap to hollow is a fun way to amp things up and practice basic kipping mechanics. The arch body is practically the opposite of the hollow body. Bridge up so only the heels and shoulders touch the floor. In a smooth, fast transition, snap yourself back to the hollow body shape. Next, we can get off the floor and onto the pull-up bar for the hanging hollow body. The shape remains the same. Grip at shoulder width or slightly wider. Keep the lats tight and shoulders down. The abs and glutes are squeezed, pushing the hips forward, and the feet are squeezed together with pointed toes. Like the floor version, you can also practice moving into the hollow from the arch. The full hollow body shape is challenging to hold with high core engagement, so here are some progressions that will help you learn the position while building up some serious core strength. First, you can start in a full tuck with arms reaching forward. Practice deep nasal breathing and really push the ribs down. Next, reach one leg out for the half tuck position. You can even push your hands down into the floor for extra lat and abdominal engagement. Reach the arms out and overhead one at a time to complete the shape. Like the dead bug, you can also practice reaching out with the contralateral arm and leg. Once you have the hollow body mastered and can hold it consistently for 30 to 45 seconds at a time, there are a ton of fun variations to check out. First is the hollow body rock. Simply rock back and forth while maintaining the hollow shape. Start with very small movements to find a rhythm. You should look like the legs of a rocking chair. Try the hollow rock with weights in the hands or feet for even more leverage, or an outstretched arm for an anti-rotation effect. You can add basic shoulder movements on top of a hollow base like band pull-aparts, banded or weighted pullovers, and presses. Finally, you can simply hold weight in the hands and feet. Tuck in and extend out at a slow pace, building up your time under tension. Taking time to work the hollow body and its variations will not only improve your core strength, but also your ability and skill to brace during other lifts like pull-ups, push-ups, and even barbell moves like deadlifts and squats. And to take your ab training a step further, you're definitely going to want to master the hanging leg raise, which you can find my full guide to linked here.